Welcome to our channel. If you want to buy bonds online, follow these step-by-step instructions to start investing in fixed income securities through digital platforms. Step 1. Choose an online brokerage platform that offers bond trading, such as Fidelity, Charles Schwab, or Interactive Brokers. Create an account and complete the required verification. Step 2. Fund your brokerage account via bank transfer, wire, or other accepted methods. Ensure you have sufficient funds to purchase bonds and cover any commission fees. Step 3. Navigate to the bond trading section of your platform. Use filters to search by bond type: government bonds, corporate bonds, municipal bonds, or treasury bonds. Step 4. Review bond listings and examine key details including yield, maturity date, credit rating, coupon rate, and minimum purchase amount. Step 5. Select a bond that matches your investment goals and risk tolerance. Consider factors like interest rate risk, credit risk, and your investment timeline. Step 6. Enter your order by specifying the quantity or dollar amount of bonds to purchase. Review the total cost, including any markup or commission fees. Step 7. Submit your order and wait for confirmation. Once executed, your bonds will appear in your portfolio, and you'll receive periodic interest payments until maturity. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.